Welcome back to Dorsal Horse Vlog, where we talk about DIYs, daily adventures, and life abroad here in Peru. Today's DIY adventure, that's not how that sentence goes. Oh well, it's a DIY adventure. We are doing an upcycle today. I would show you my before piece, but I forgot to take a picture before I cut it up and sewed a bunch of ribbon to the front of it. So just picture a very boring, plain, gray t-shirt dress. That's what we got. That's what we upcycled. I've got some sewing inspo that I took from this Billabong tee right here. It looks like a ribbon right in the middle. I don't think it's actually a ribbon, but I was looking at this and I said to myself, Alicia, you have got a ton, like embarrassingly, you need to use some of this stuff up, girl. You really do. But yeah, I have a ton of Peruvian ribbon that is just lying around. And I have a t-shirt that I don't wear because for some reason it got a stain somewhere. That's not really a great place to have a stain. Yeah. It did. It's a very quick and easy project. Without further ado, let's get sewing.